What is up, guys? Today we are at a pond in Derby and Lewis just caught something, so this is interesting. Hold on.
During the intro.
This is all during the intro. Nice. We got one. Here in Derby, it's a pretty nice pond. It's a super nice day. And yeah, we're just gonna see what we can get. Alright, so on this wall it's not really working out, so we're gonna head to the upper pond, which is through the woods a little bit.
Hopefully we have better luck over there.
Hopefully we get better luck over there. See you there. Fish on! Nice little...
Smaller than the first one.
Little bass.
But it's better than nothing.
Better than nothing. We'll take it. Nice. Oh! I got something. It's small.
You recording?
Yes. We're on.
Hey.
Hey. Thank you. Alright, we're gonna show the camera. Is it in focus? We're gonna show the camera. Rock wall wasn't quite working out. So we're gonna try this new little area for now. Alright, so we are back, coming from that pond in Derby, and we caught like 3 fish, I don't even know. It was still a fun time though. It's going to be my last time fishing in CT for a while, because I am a college student, so as you know, summer's coming to an end. I'm going back to school. What I want to do with this channel is to continue uploading. I posted about 9 videos 2 years ago. I got an internship the next summer, so I never came back home, and now I'm back here, and while I'm out there at school, there's a lot of other things going on, and it can get really hard to just find time to just go out and fish in general, and then also filming on top of that. So I'm gonna really try to make at least a few videos out there while it's still summertime, until at least late September when things get cold. I want to try to at least film some videos out there, maybe go to a few ponds that I found. I go to school in Rhode Island, so we're gonna see what I can do to continue creating videos. Other than that, in my last video I did mention that we were gonna go saltwater fishing on the beach at night the next day. we did go. However, it was really dark, so I only was able to get footage of if we caught stuff. So right when we caught, like right when one of our lines were ringing, I would turn on the camera and I would film that. When I got home, I realized that I actually didn't have that many clips, so I didn't post that next day. But what I do want to do is include those clips into this video, just as a little bonus. We ended up catching 2 small sand sharks, like, you know, 1-footers, whatever, and then a little harbor blue. Still, like, it was still a fun time, so I'll throw those clips at the end of this video. Also, like I said in last video, if I can get to 100 subscribers, I would be happy to run to Bass Pro Shops or any kind of bait and tackle shop, pick up maybe like 5 or 6 lures and give them out to anyone that's subscribed. So, yep, get that subscriber count up, and then, you know, since there's only 100 people, well, about 100 people, you probably have a good chance to win. Yep, so thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to create more. There is definitely going to be a gap in between now and the next video, but I'm going to try my hardest to get back out there. I do know that I'm going to be fishing in New Hampshire this coming weekend, so I'm going to try to film that, hopefully get a video up for that. I've never fished out there, so like I said, I don't even know what I'm going to get, if I'm going to be able to catch anything in general, but we're going to of course give it a try, film while I'm out there, and yeah, we're just going to go from there. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to roll those clips from the beach, and yeah.